Large capacity cooking oil container, holds up to 1 Gall, 4 quarts, 3.75 Lieutenant. Easy oil strainer and storage. Strainer insert, fine mesh strains particles including bacon fat to ensure used oil is reusable. Clamp on lid, secure oil and bacon fat container with tight fitting clamp on lid keeps oil fresh and clean. Sturdy construction, this oil strainer and container is made from robust stainless steel. Sleek and stylish, looks great on kitchen counter. Blends in with stainless or black appliances. Sleek, sturdy, large capacity and versatile used oil container perfect for kitchen, camping and RV. Store your bacon drippings, fat and cooking grease using this jumbo grease holder. Made of durable stainless steel, this sturdy, heavy-duty oil container features a strainer insert to keep your grease clean and fresh. Easily separates cooked food particles such as bacon bits from grease. Includes a lid for the container that lets you store strained frying or cooking grease for safe disposal or reuse once it's cooled down. Avoids cooking oil smells in house or RV. Looks great on the countertop and fits securely in the refrigerator. Perfect bacon grease container. Supports keto, ketogenic and paleo lifestyles. Jumbo 1 gallon, 4 quart, 3.75 liter capacity is wide and deep enough to pour grease in straight from the pan. It is even suitable for RV use as it is not too big and the lid keeps contents secure. Care and cleaning, wipe clean with a damp cloth. Includes a lid for the container that lets you store strained cooking grease for safe disposal once it's cooled down. Top reviews from the United States. Great grease holder. I bought this to hold the oil when I strain it from my deep fryer. It was large enough to hold the full amount, because it holds a gallon. I was surprised when I got it how heavy it was. It is very well made and the bottom is thick. I think it might be insulated, but it will not turn over, since it is so heavy. The strainer is very fine, so it catches almost everything. I recommend this to anyone that needs a large container to strain or store oil in. I bought the first one and was so impressed that I ordered another one. One to store my oil in and one to strain the oil. The shipping was great. Got it ahead of time.